Hey guys, welcome to Night Devil Creations. And today, we're going to fix a storage problem. Alright, see you in a second. Alright guys, you guys have all seen the new little work area. But, I'm having a problem with my kits. I have like a, here I'll show you. Don't mind the mess. I got this thing, which is nice until you bump into it and half of the things fall off, which is not conducive at all. It sucks. So this works, but we need to get a better solution. So what I did is I went on Amazon and I picked up these bins with this rail that you guys probably just saw. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hang that right along the bottom here. All right guys, we were gonna put that there, but it makes no sense because it takes up a lot of my table space. You guys can't really see. So we're going to move our operation to right there, along that wall, right under here. So let's do that. This is something you guys haven't seen. Maybe dabble in a little bit of epoxy. Eh? Got a vacuum pot. I don't have a pressure pot yet. Alright guys, struggled to find studs in the wall because they're not, well, they weren't really where I needed them, but that's okay. This will look fine, this will work great. These hold a ton of weight. They look good. So let me get these up and then we'll fill them. Well guys, I think that looks pretty good. I guess now we need to put some LED lights underneath here. What do you guys think? I think I should. So let's get these in. Get some everyday carries. What we got? Bottle openers. Those were fun. That was fun. I like that one. Did you guys like that video? Did you guys like that? Some more everyday carries. How about the Stratus? Maybe we'll make that one next if somebody wants to see that one. The grenade. I don't think you guys really saw to appreciate what that really is. It's like a pineapple grenade. So, if you guys want to see it, let me know. Some more of the 50 cal flip pins. And the workshop pencil, the sketch pencil. Maybe we'll make one of these tomorrow. And we got another bin left. Sorry about that. Got another bin left open. It's a Sprite, not a beer. Don't drink in your shop. Or you can drink in your shop as long as you're not working in your shop. What do you guys think? Is that a good investment? I think it is. I think any type of good storage is phenomenal. I do have another bar, and we still have 4 more boxes, so I'll have to order some more boxes. The good thing about these ones versus those yellow ones is that these actually stack. So that's the good thing about these ones versus the yellow ones. Nothing wrong with the Harbor Freight rack. It did its purpose, it did its job when I didn't have space. But the problem with the Harbor Freight one is, let me see if I can get this. So they have these little notches and ridges, and you're supposed to like set it like this, but if it moves at all, they go down and they stack like that, and then lock in, which that's okay. See, holds the bottom one, I'm holding the top. But I mean, come on now, these big old hands aren't gonna fit into that. So, and they're a pain to get apart. So that's why we went with this. And that is obviously crooked. I'm gonna have to fix that. I fixed it. It's level. Alrighty guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know what pin you want to see. Yes, I know I look like a lobster. I played 36 holes of golf today. I'm worn out. Sunburnt. Alright. Like and subscribe.